Animal models have no predictive value whatsoever for human response to drugs and disease. I cover this extensively in my articles and books. For example, approximately 100 vaccines against HIV/AIDS have tested well in animals, including non-human primates. Unfortunately, 0 of these have been successful in humans. That is 0 out of 100. You do not need fancy statistics to tell you there is no predictive value in the animal model. Predictive value is the primary justification for using animals to study diseases and drugs. It is also the basis for all other rationalizations and justifications, and it is demonstrably false. There are 2 principles of science that invalidate the notion that animals will be predictive models for humans. The first is evolution. Our common ancestor, the common ancestor of human and non-human primates, gave rise to the monkeys, gibbons, orangutans, gorillas, chimpanzees, and humans. We all started out having the same genetic makeup, but over time we diverged and now have differences in our genetic makeup. The second area of science that invalidates the notion of predictive ability of animal models is known as complexity science. A complex system is composed of simple systems that exist at lower levels of organization. In other words, we're all composed of stardust. We're composed of carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and a carbon atom in me acts exactly the same way that it acts in a chicken or a mouse or a chimpanzee. But complex systems also have a hierarchy of organization. And what this means is that when all these atoms combine, form genes, and when all these genes combine and act in networks, you're now looking at a very different situation. At higher levels of organization, complex systems do not act the same way.